Students, good morning. Now this is your science class, students. In continuation of the chapter Air Around Us, today we are going to practice exercises of the textbook. What is given in the back of the chapter, that we will practice today. So students, you take out your book and turn to page number 43. Open page number 43. Write down date on it. Okay? Today is 11/11/20. That means 11th November 20. Okay. Exercises. A. Take the correct answer. That means options are there. You have to find out the correct option and you have to put a tick mark. This is MCQ, multiple choice question. That means options will be provided here. 1. We need air to, options are A. Wash clothes, B. Breathe, C. Drink. The correct answer is what? B. Breathe. We need air to breathe. Number 2. Moving cars give out what? The options are A. Water vapor, B. Jumps, C. Smoke. Moving car gives out smoke. Very good. That put a tick mark on C. Space is provided to put your tick mark. There you will mark. B. Complete the sentences with the help of the words given below. That means this is fill in the blanks and you have to complete the sentence by filling the options given above the questions. 1. Smoke and dash make the air impure. Smoke and dash make the air impure. Here the options are dust, storm, smoke and dust. The correct answer is dust. Make the air impure. Number 2. Strong and fast blowing wind is called dash. Strong and fast blowing wind is called what? Storm. The spelling of storm is STORM. Storm. Okay? Turn page number 44. Turn to page number 44. C. Match the following. For match the following, we should first read the column 2. Then column 1 we will read one by one. So in column 2 given A. Breeze, B. Wind, C. Storm. In column 1 it is given 1. Fast moving air. What is that? Fast moving air? It is storm. So write down 1 beside storm. Write 1 beside storm. Okay? Number 2. Slow moving wind. Slow blowing wind. Slow blowing wind. What is that? Yes, it is A. Breeze. So you write 2 beside breeze. So you write 2 beside breeze. Number 3, moving air. So, what is moving air? Here given options, a type of options. You have to find out the correct one. Moving air, that is wind. The correct answer is wind. B, wind. Write 3 beside wind. Okay, so it is over. Now say, think and answer. Where will you get clean air? Where you will get clean air? In a city or a forest? The answer is very simple. A forest. We get clean air in the forest. Right? Why not in city? Due to vehicles, smoke emitted from vehicles, factories, and from some human activities, burning of leaves and burning of garbage. So that in city we don't get the pure air. Okay, so we should visit forest once in a year, right, to get oxygen, actually the pure one, pure air. Okay students, so next is answer the following question. Answer the following question that you have to write in your copy, classwork copy. Answer the following question that you have to write in your classwork copy, classwork notebook, right? And listen, now you listen me. Afterwards you will write. I will share it in WhatsApp app here in this platform. 1. List 3 sources of smoke. That means types of smoke you have to write. Types of smoke. These 3 sources of smoke, you have to write the source of the smoke, from where smoke emitted. Just we discussed in the last question, that one. 3 sources of smoke are burning of coal, okay, burning of coal, then factories, and moving cars or moving vehicles. All vehicles are not emitted smoke, but cars emitted smoke. So you will write burning of coal, then factories and moving cars. Okay, these are the 3 sources of smoke. Number 2, what happens if we breathe impure air? What happens if we breathe impure air? The answer is impure air contains pollutants and germs which make us sick. What impure air contains? Impure air contains pollutants. Pollutants, that means smoke, then dust, all these are pollutants. Okay, so dirt and dust, or you say smoke, these are pollutants. So impure air contains pollutants and germs which make us sick. Come on to question 3. How can we get clean and pure air to breathe? How can we get clean and pure air to breathe? We can get clean and pure air by reducing the pollution. How? By reducing the pollution and growing more plants. I am repeating, listen again. How can we get clean and pure air to breathe? Answer is we can get clean and fresh air by reducing the pollution and growing more plants. Next, question number 4. Why should we keep the door and windows open? Why should we keep the doors and windows open? The answer is we should keep doors and windows open to let fresh air come in. To let fresh air and sunlight. Yes, sunlight is also important. To let fresh air and sunlight come in. That means come in our house, inside our house. So, just repeat with me. Why should we keep the doors and windows open? We should keep doors and windows open to let fresh air come in, or let fresh air and sunlight come in. Okay, so we have completed the things what is given asking in the book, in the chapter, back of the chapter. One thing is left, that is value corner. Pick the correct answer. Sahil suffers from cough and cold. Whenever he coughs, he covers his mouth with a hanky. Okay, he covers with a hanky. He covers his mouth with a handkerchief. What value is shown by Sahil? Number 1, A, hygiene, B, love, C, unity. Which one is the correct one? Obvious, it is hygiene. Maintaining hygiene. Okay, cleanliness. Okay, otherwise the germs will spread out. So students, you have to complete the exercises in your textbook. That means A, B, C and value corner. That you have to write in your book, complete in your book. And D and E, that you have to write in your classwork copy. Copy means notebook, classwork notebook, right? So this is what for today, students. Complete what I have given today. Today only you have to complete. Okay, today's classwork should be completed today only. So the class ends here. Good day.